Here we go. Now you'll notice a sign here that says you have to wear a helmet if you're on an ATV. I want to mention that because the question always comes up and you see hopefully nobody wears them. Okay, woo-hoo. Pulse is 143. Oh. Woo. That never gets easier. Oh. 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 Good. This is Sandy Beach. Whole area. There's condos. As you can see, golf courses. If we kept going straight, and I won't go that far, but you'd hit Choya Bay, and it's a little community, beach homes, jalapeno and tequila. new places all the time. Oh, uphill, uphill. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. 132 pulse. I will feel good this afternoon. Roger Klein and the Peacemakers come here a couple times a year. I think he owns Bandito's Bar, so it makes it pretty easy for him. I haven't been there in years. I've never been to one of his concerts, but people swore by a good time with him. Oh man. Now these blocks, I think, are for the pier that never gets built. The pier for cruise ships to come in. It's been going for 10 years. Never seems to get finished. Man. Oh, God, that was good. All right. Oh, yeah. Nice condos, nice area. You can rent many of these. I did 10 years ago before I bought my place and moved here. I rented a nice little condo at Sonora and Sun, I think. Very pleasant. That hill in front of us, I don't remember the name of it, but people in four-wheelers like to try to get to the top. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's a workout. Country Fest. I didn't know anything about this. Brand new condos. Nice color. I've been going forever.